I have a FS 38 Stihl. I'm going to show you how to replace the drive shaft and the bushings. And my problem is this head popped off. So there's a clip inside, like a C-clip, and I'll show you how to take those out. Best thing to do is take the screw out here. There's a nut on the other side. Take it out and push this screw out. Now that the screw's out, take a screwdriver and you're going to jam it in the end and pry it open. Spread this out a little bit and just give it a tap here. It'll come right in. It might come out like hidden on it too, so mine did. Now you got a torque head screw and you take that out. Mine is already loose, so just take it out. This might be jammed on it, just pry it and just slide right off. Now the end piece is going to be jammed on there a little bit. Just take your pliers and then just grab the end of it and go back and forth. It'll come out. Mm-hmm. So when you pull it out, it's going to look like this. This is the piece I was trying to get out. Here's the bushing, bottom bushing, and there's a little washer here, and the top washer and the clip that mine popped off was here. They were stuck inside the shaft. And here I just gave a tap in my hand, just popped off. And to get the dry shaft out, just grab a needle nose and grab in there, the tip's right in there, right there. And just check that, make sure it's still squared both ends. And focus on that. Yeah, mine's still good. So the shaft is still good. So if you have a new dry shaft, this is the time to put a new one in. And these bushings here, they just pop. They pop off. You can use a screwdriver. I had this one off my hand already. And I think you get these on eBay. I don't think they sell them at the Stihl parts department, but if you got a wobble at the end there, you probably got these bushings going. Anyway, put them back in. Make sure it's all clean. Put a little dab of grease on it in there. Tap that in right there. Put the thing there, and then this little clip there. It's a little hard to get in, but if you press down your thumb in the back and with a little screwdriver press down on it, it'll go in. Put it back in, put the dry shaft in. I lubricated mine first, just a heavy duty lubricant. Slide it in there, take your bushing assembly, put it in the end of the dry shaft. Sure you got the hole lined up here, and then just slide it in. You might have to turn the dry shaft here so it lines up in the motor, then it snaps right in. Then line up the hole right here, put your nut, and then after that just put your brush guard in, line up the nut there, and tighten up the bolt, and you're ready to go. Hope this helps. If If you like the video, press thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Deuces.